Sometimes we should not complain to anyone, to someone, because can be possible who lives with you is not yours, is not yours life, is not your friend even. You have more choice to live. You have more choice to choose your life. So don't complain anyone. Okay. In this para, we will learn different between the someone and anyone. What is the someone? Someone can be possible. He is your special for you or not also. But anyone can be any person is not for special for you, not in include in your life. This is the main difference between anyone and someone. Okay, bye for now.